Welcome to probability videos 6.3 and 6.4, committees that contain both two members A and B or neither member A nor member B. All right, here's example 3. How many ways can you choose 5 members out of 12 to be on some special project? Okay, so I just labeled the people A through L, and I just drew a little picture here for a visual. So I've got 5 slots to fill. Order does not matter. So it's just going to be, hey, out of these 12 people, choose 5. That's a combination. So out of 12 people, choose 5. And if you compute that, you get 792. Okay, well that was the basic one. Now let's move on. Example 4. Now suppose that 2 members, we'll call them A and B, are boyfriend and girlfriend, and they always have to be together. So they'll either be together on the special project or they'll both be together off the special project. Now how many ways are there to select the committee for the special project? All right, so I broke it down into 2 cases where both A and B are on or where both A and B are off. And whenever we have an or, that's going to be adding. So I'm going to add the number of ways here to the number of ways here. Again, I put these slots just for a visual. This is not permutations or ordering, it's just to give me an idea of what's going on. So over here, A and B are on. So just as a visual, I'll say A and B are on the special project. Okay, now we gotta figure out how many ways to fill it. So I've gotta fill these slots, A and B, I said, are on it, out of these remaining people. All right, well I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of those 10 remaining people, I've got to choose 3. So it's just simply going to be 10 choose 3. Over here, A and B are both not on the project. Just as a visual, I'll put them over there in the corner of the room crying or whatever, not being on the project. Okay, so now, again, A and B are not to be considered because they're not on the project. So out of these remaining 10 people, I now have to choose 5 of them. So it's going to be 10 choose 3 plus 10 choose 5. And if you do the computations, you'll get 120 plus 252 for a grand total of 372.